Uhulumeni ke ngomdlalo weBafana Bafana ke kanye neMexico umdlalo ke wokuqala ke emidlalweni ke we-FIFA World Cup kuwona ke unyaka lona ke ka 2026. Ake sikhulumeni nje ngalomdlalo loqala ke the way uhambe ngakhona and ngiyazi ukuthi ke mhlambe ke nawe kunezinto nje eziningi ke ozinothisile ke kuwona ke lo mdlalo. Oqala ke ngithe mangibheka umdlalo mawuqala ngibe nenkinga ngeformation iBafana Bafana eza ngayo i-5-3-2. I was like angikaze ngayibona iBafana Bafana idlala kanjalo before. Then ngase sinyayibuza ukuthi why sizotesta isystem entsha kwi-FIFA World Cup ngoba the reason ukuthi siqualify angithi size kwi-tournament sizele ukuthi nathi sizokhompyutha, but now sifika kwi-tournament siza nge-system entsha esingakazi sayidlala before. I mean emuva siqale ngumbokazi Primo Diba, Khuliso Mutawu, Nkosinathi Sibisi, Ime Okon, 5 defenders. Eswini saba no Yaya Sithole, Teboho Mokoena, Jayden Adams, 3. Phambili saba no Lyle Foster no Ekrem Rainers, which is 2. Now ngase sinyayibuza ke mina ukuthi if isidlala i-5-3-2 i-striker lezi sinazo eziyi-2 phambili uLyle Foster no Ekrem Rainers ubani uzoba supplier ngebhola, because into enzakalile first half uYaya Sithole beka defender too deep. Nale mangabheka nje igoli lele siliconsidile first half uYaya Sithole udefender too deep azandlule nama defender, hence uyi-midfield. Ne-red card indawo beka kuyo ukuze enze le red card akusi defender uyi-midfielder. But now unoYaya Sithole odlala too deep ojoyina le 5 le already sinayo uya eda siba 6. Center akuna creative player, umuntu ozokwazi ukubamba ibhola enza amaphasi adribule alikho iplay linjalo egroundini. Phambili une-track eziyi-2 into esingakazi sayenza before i-World Cup iqala, azange sayenza lento leyo, but now sifika kwi-FIFA World Cup senza into entsha esingakazi sayenza. So into engicabanga kakhulu ukuthi la esishaye kakhulu kube i-formation esiqale ngayo umdlalo. I-approach yethu from the first minute beyi-negative, bengabonisa ukuthi size la ukuzowina umdlalo. We played as if ngathi size kulo mdlalo just ukuzo-avoid ukuthi singadliwa amagoli amaningi, mangabe siyadliwa singaconcede amagoli amaningi. I-approach yethu bengabonisa ukuthi si-team ezele ukuzowina. Now second half ucoach wethu wenza amasapo ukhiphe ngibhekela ukuthi ukhiphe bani second half makenza amasapo ukhiphe u-Ekrem Rainers wafaka u-Evidence Makgopa, wakhipha u-Primo Diba wafaka u-Oswin Apolis, wakhipha kwangena uTalente Mbatha kwaphuma uLyle Foster. Bheka ke if from the start siqale igame mane singanama winger, ebenchini sinama winger ayi-3, sino Oswin Apolis, sino Thapelo Maseko, sino Relebohile Mofokeng, but size kwi-game singanawo ama-winger, wonke bohleli ngaphandle. Now mase sidliwa ufaka labadlali laba already mabangena already sesiyadliwa. I-red card ka Themba Zwane ngamxolela kancane because of i-red card yokuthi uye wa retaliator ngoba vele uma retaliate ureferee uyakunikeza red card, but it's not something ebekayihlosile ukuthi angagcina athole red card. I-red card nje ebeyinkinga yakayaya Sithole. Ucoach wethu uziprovile ukuthi akhona ama-player awakhonzile and angeke kwazi ukuthi awa-sacrifice even if lawo ma-player lawo are-off form, because of from the start nje uyaya Sithole bokungamele nje adlale ngayo from the start, instead of aqale umdlalo ngoyaya Sithole ngabe rada uqala igame ngo-Talent Embatha kunokuthi adlale nga-2 strikers. Ngabe u-introduce u-Apolis, at least sibe ne-winger ukuthi uma ngabe sikhona ukudlala ibhola centrally si-attack ngama-winger. Emuva igoli lokuqala laka Ronon Williams, into engiyinothisile ukuthi iMexico iyenzile homework yabo, ngoba vele iMexico bey-aware ukuthi uRonon Williams ibhola kalikhabeli phambili from kwiMamelodi Sundowns. Ibhola labo baliqala emuva, badlala i-build up attack. Ibhola labo liqala emuva, uRonon Williams ibhola kalikhabeli phambili from i-team ayidlalelayo. Ibhola makathola i-back pass, ibhola uliqala emuva, ibhola labo badlala from emuva bakhuphuke nalo baye phambili. So into ebeyenza ke Mexico beyenza high pressing immediately. Ibhola liya ku-Ronon Williams, iMexico iyapressa because i-aware ukuthi vele angeke alikhabele phambili. Uyaya Sithole maka-receiver ibhola into at least engabe uzamile ukuthi, ngoba nginotisile ukuthi into oqala yenzile before ibhola liza kuye uye wachiftisa amehlo abheke ukuthi ibhola bakalireceive uzophasa bani, but ngabe at least yena into ayenzile uvele walibuyisela back ku-Ronon Williams so that uRonon Williams adecide ukuthi ibhola lelo lisa kuphi, ngoba iMexico already beseyipressile ukuthi any mistake azoyenza uyaya Sithole kuzoba igoli. So umdlalo mawuphela ngilaleleke i-interview yaka Hugo Bruce makathi yena ngesingaye akayiboni into ebad ebeyikhona kuwona lo mdlalo, except ukuthi i-team yakhe mayiphethe ibhola azange yenze kahle. But to be quite honest, i-approach was completely wrong. So I hope ukuthi ke egamini elandelayo iBafana ngeke sadlala i-5-3-2 ngoba ayisuthi asinawo ama-player angakwazi ukudlala le formation ye-5-3-2. Ama-players nawo abantu abazokwazi ukuthi badlale i-build up attack. Ibhola siliqala emuva silinoke size nalo suke from emuva lingene kuma-midfielder, from kuma-midfielder limuve likuma-strikers. Ibhola elidlalwa eSouth Africa lelo, hayi leli le-5-3-2.